I am S B Mishra, going to continue with trigonometry for class 11 students. The value of sine 2 pi by 3. First of all, removing 2 pi by 3 in degree. Multiply by 180 by pi and it becomes 120 degree. After that, 120 degree lies between this quadrant. So make 3 box. Sine is positive, put positive. Sine is as usual sine. 120 is deviated from 180, it becomes 60. So root 3 by 2 answer. Cos 5 pi by 6. Cos 5 pi by 6 is converted to degree. 150 also lies in this quadrant. So here the cos is negative. So negative cos remain cos. 150 deviated with 180, it becomes 30. So minus root 3 by 2 answer. Tan 3 pi by 4, this is converted to degree. 135 belongs to this quadrant, second quadrant. So second quadrant tan is negative, so negative 1. Next, sine 7 pi by 6, it is converted to degree. 210, 210 lies in this quadrant, third quadrant, where sine is negative. Sine is as usual. 210 is deviated from 180, becomes 30, so minus 1 by 2. Cos 4 pi by 3 converted to degree. 240. Now cos is in third quadrant, cos is negative, so minus cos 240 deviated becomes 60. From 180 deviation is taken, so minus half. Tan 5 pi by 4. Again, this is 225 lies in third quadrant where tan is positive. Tan remain tan. 225 deviated becomes 45, so this is 1. Sine 5 pi by 3 is converted sine 300. Sine 300 belongs to fourth quadrant where only cos is positive, so sine is negative. So sine remains sine. 300 is deviated from 360, not from 180, because 300 is nearer to 360. So this is sine 60 minus root 3 by 2. Cos 7 pi by 4. Now this is 315. 315 lies in fourth quadrant where cos is positive. Cos remains cos. Deviate from 360, it becomes 1 by root 2. Now tan 11 pi by 6, this is 330. 330 lies in fourth quadrant where tan is negative, so minus tan. When deviated from 360, it becomes 30, so minus 1 by root 3. Now this sine 14 pi by 3, when converted, it becomes 840. For more than 360, divide by 360, remainder is the new angle. So now sine 120 in second quadrant where sine is positive, sine remains sine. 120 deviated from 180 becomes 60, so root 3 by 2. Likewise, cos 41 pi by 6 converted to degree, this is 1230. 1230 divided by 360 becomes 150. 150 in second quadrant where cos is negative, cos remains cos. 150 deviated from 180 becomes 30, so minus root 3 by 2. Tan 23 by pi by 3. So this is converted to degree, it becomes 1380 degree. 1380 degree divided by 360, the remainder is 300. So in fourth quadrant, tan is negative, tan remains tan. 300 deviated from 360 becomes 60, so minus root 3 is the answer. Now the value of cosec minus 2 pi by 3, minus is taken outside, since cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, minus taken outside. Now convert this to sine. 1 by sine 2 pi by 3. So this is converted to degree. Minus 1 by sine 120. Now 120 for sine 120, make 3 box. Sine is positive in second quadrant, sine remains sine. Deviation of 120 from 180 is 60. So this is the answer. Now sec minus 7 pi by 6. This is sec according to this minus 1 is h. So minus out. Now convert it to cos and convert it to degree. It becomes 210. 210 lies in quadrant number 3 where cos is negative. Cos remains cos. 210 deviated from 180 becomes 30. So this is the answer. Similarly, cot minus 14 pi by 3, negative cot minus theta is minus cot theta. So this is minus cot 1840. 1840 is more than 840 is more than 360. Divide it and take remainder as new angle, minus 120. Now minus 120 lies in second quadrant So yes, minus 1 by 10, 10, 120, 120, 10, 120 in second quadrant. So in 10 is negative there, 10 remain 10, and 120 deviated by 60. So this is the answer. Now sine minus 41 pi by 6, this is minus out, sine minus theta is minus sine theta, so minus this, divide by 360, remainder is 150, 150 is the effective angle, so deviate by 180, it becomes 60, so this is minus 1 by 2. Similarly this cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, here just you can see minus is out, so minus is outside, taken out, vanishes here. So cos 1380 degree divided by 360, 300 is the remainder, so cos 300. So this is cos is 300 is in fourth quadrant where cos is positive, so plus cos 60 half. Cosec this, now cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta divided by 360, remainder is 300. So this is 1 by sine 300. Now for sine 300 in fourth quadrant, make 3 box sine scheme for sine in fourth quadrant negative, sine is sine, deviate it with 360, it becomes 60. So this is the answer. Now the use of some formula, sine A plus B sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B, we can find the value of sine 90 plus theta. Sine 90 cos theta, cos 90 sine theta, put the value of sine 91, cos theta remain as usual, cos 90 0. So this is cos theta because 0 into something is 0. Now cos 90 plus theta, cos A into cos B minus sine A into sine B, use this formula, put the value of cos 90 0 and sine 90 1. So this is minus sine theta, and to find tan 90 plus theta, divide sine 90 plus theta by cos 90 plus theta. The value of sine 90 plus theta is cos theta you have got, and minus sine theta you have got, so this is minus cot theta. Now you can remember this table, sine 90 plus theta cos 90 plus theta minus sine theta, tan 90 plus theta minus cot theta, and likewise this cosec 90 plus theta sec theta. As in class 10 you all are knowing how to find sine 90 minus theta, but here the extension you are reading. Now sine 180 minus theta, same formula is being used, sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B, sine 180 is 0, cos theta minus cos 180 minus 1 into sine theta, so minus minus plus, so this is sine theta, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, cos 180 minus theta cos A into cos B plus sine A into sine B. Use this formula and put the value cos 180 minus 1 and sine 180 0, so minus cos theta. To find tan 180 minus theta, divide this sine 180 minus theta by cos 180 minus theta. You have already got sine 180 minus theta, sine theta, and sine 180 cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So this is minus tan theta. So remember this table. This is sine 180 plus theta. Now break by this formula, sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B, put sine 180 0 and put other values, we get minus sine theta. Likewise cos 180 plus theta cos A into cos B minus sine A into sine B, using the formula you already know, cos A plus B is cos A into cos B minus sine A into sine B. So this is left for readers. Cos 180 minus 1, sine 180 0, so this is minus cos theta. Now to find sine tan 180 plus theta, sine 180 plus theta by cos 180 plus theta, so this is minus sine theta by minus cos theta tan theta. So you can remember this table.